wanted to tell you what I've been up to the past couple weeks. I've been working hard on my front porch, Richard and I both, and I'm sitting here on the front porch, and now I'm going to show you around. Here's a little rose bush that I bought at Kroger. It's supposed to be a mini rose bush, but we've already had to transplant it once, so I have a feeling it will grow up big enough to put in the yard. It's ready to be pruned, I think. And you saw a video of this a couple of years ago when it was very tiny. It was about 1 foot tall. And as you see now, it's about 3.5 feet tall. Anyway, that's a menorah cactus. Hope you can see it there clearly in front of the crepe myrtle. Here's a little cactus that I bought for, I think, $3 at Walmart. I don't know what it is. And the same day, I bought this little pencil cactus. That's been transplanted once. It's doing well. I just put an avocado pit in. We'll see what happens there. These are some bluebells that greet you as you come up the steps. That is a Christmas cactus. It was blooming at Christmas time. It seems happy. It's been transplanted. Buddha number 1. Buddha number 2. The wreath on the front door. The Texas star. That is some kind of succulent there. I don't know what it's called, but that was from Walmart too. And there's my aloe, which I almost killed. It looks like it's bouncing back. I accidentally overwatered it right before it came outdoors. Oh, look, we have a honeybee. Yay! Oh, well. Asparagus fern. Okay, these are some phlox that I bought that were nearly dead. And they were $1 each. There are 5 of them. And they've been out here for about 2 weeks getting watered. And it looks like they're going to bounce back. This is my ZZ plant. It's been indoors and I just repotted it yesterday. And I'm hoping it's going to make it. That is a night blooming cereus. I bought it bare root, so it was those 2 leaves. And hopefully soon it'll be popping up with something else in the middle. This, I can't remember what it's called, but I got that at Walmart for $4. And this is my cactus. You probably saw that when it was about 2 feet tall. And now it's about 5 feet tall, and it's having babies. This was here, I think, before. I don't know what that's called, but it's pretty. I've had it for several years. That is a patchouli. I can't wait to see if it really smells like patchouli. I mean, it sort of does, but it's the flowers that are really going to smell like patchouli. And this is another cactus. It kind of looks like a brain. I think it's big enough that I can transplant it. I got that at Lowe's for, I think, $1 at the end of the year several years ago. This is some kind of little ivy. I got at Walmart for $3. And I got this online. I can't remember what it's called. I got that on Etsy, as well as this little braided cactus looking thing. Those just arrived yesterday. And this, what is this? Moon Valley Friendship Plant, it says. Anyway, it's pretty. Most everything got transplanted yesterday. Anyway, today, oh, there's the other Buddha, if I didn't mention it. Apparently it used to be a fountain, but I think that would be nice to put incense in. Anyway, gosh, I think that's, oh no, I planted something in the yard here. This is just your typical caladium. I wanted to see if it does well. So far it looks like it is, so I'll probably buy a couple more and trim this up a little bit. and put in 3 or 4 more across here in front of it. Also, last week I trimmed back my lantana, and now it's bursting out. So in about a month it'll be all orange flowers surrounding this little bird bath. And Richard is home. My tree has gotten bigger since you saw it last a couple years ago. My neighbor across the street, my cousin Paige, has 2 pretty rose bushes. I'm gonna check with her. Not trying to get a cutting off her rose bush because I think I'm ready to work. Oh, and right here in front of this is where I'm going to put those 5 phlox plants I just showed you, just straight across the front. Anyway, here's how it looks from out here. And some things are back deliberately behind that Nandina plant because I want them to get a little extra shade. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.